Hello and welcome to this short video on dance. Dance intersects with many other arts. It is akin to abstract painting in that the focus of dance is on the visual patterns of the human body. It is akin to kinetic sculpture in that bodies are in motion, shaping space. It is akin to drama because it often features a narrative as well as scenic elements. And it is akin to music because it is rhythmic and unfolds in time. So what is dance about? It is about the abstract motions of bodies and the feelings and states of mind these movements create in us. In order to become better appreciators of dance, we must cultivate a memory for it. Often dancers will help us do this by repeating movements and varying them over the course of a performance. Dancers must also consider the balance of their movements as well as the balance of the other performers on stage, central dancers usually drawing our attention more so than dancers on the periphery. Historically, dance has been heavily associated with religious and sexual rituals. However, social dance is much more common these days as a form of recreation. Folk traditions often link dances with the seasons or times of celebration, such as the fall harvest. Court dance developed in the Middle Ages and the Renaissance as a more stylized form. Participating in this form of dance signified a high social status. This kind of dance was also recreational, but more formal and more likely to have an audience. The audience for dance would soon have a new dance to attend to in the form of ballet. Ballet developed out of the interludes in opera performances. It features virtuoso positions and physical movements such as the arabesque, which you can see pictured here. One of the most popular ballets ever produced is Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake. Take a moment to watch part of her performance on YouTube if you haven't already experienced the ballet. Modern dance emphasizes natural movement and the use of the torso over the legs and arms. Modern dance often explores moods, but can also feature highly involved narratives such as Alvin Ailey's Revelations. Isadora Duncan and Ruth St. Denis are considered the founders of the modern dance movement. Second only in influence to Duncan is Martha Graham, who developed a formal style for modern dance that is distinct from ballet. She founded the Batsheva Dance Company with Baroness Batsheva Rothschild in 1964, but soon left it to develop on its own. It is now an internationally renowned dance troupe that is known for its imaginative and daring performances. Just to give you an idea of the range of dance that is possible, let me show you a few stills from the Pilobolus and Momix dance companies. These companies use complex visual dynamics and acrobatic positions to bring dance back to a focus on the human body and its shape in space. Of course, a discussion of dance wouldn't be complete without mentioning popular forms such as swing, rock dancing, disco, and street dancing. All of these forms and more contribute to the sense that dancing continues to be an innovative and enduring art. That's about all the time we have for this lecture. Thank you, and see you soon.